it's Wendy here from Toonpish Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, hopefully I'll be able to inspire you with some kind of resin work. We'll see. I've got a few videos behind me and I've got quite a lot planned. Now today I'm going to show you how I made these. These are little water resin coasters. You can put anything in here. I did do a little video on this on the Instagram. It was only about 3 minutes long, but I thought I'd go into a little bit more depth so that you can see how to do it. But with this technique, you can use anything as the base. You see, I've got a water base here, but I have moulds that I used to use for polymer clay that they're just flat moulds with texture, patterns, and you can pour, because they're silicone, you can pour your resin on them. You might have got a lot of bubbles, mind you, you have to get rid of the bubbles. But you can pour your resin on them and come out with all sorts of textures. And if you coat them with the mica powder, that's when you get a good effect. So this is a little water scene, a couple of shells. And I think it's quite cute actually. I really love them, to be fair. But anyway, this is a quick video, so I'm waffling again. This is a quick video. Hope you enjoy it. I won't be back at the end because I'm just going to put stills up today because it is quite a quick video. But come back and see me next week. Push that subscribe button. Make sure you get the notification bell. Any comments are welcome. And have a great week. Bye for now.